In this video, we're going to do an overview of the object drop-down arrow commands. There are a lot of commands within the object drop-down arrow, so we're going to do a quick overview just discussing what they are. Alright, I'm going to go to a page where I have some objects. To start with, the object drop-down arrow is accessible simply by selecting an object on a Smart Notebook page. When I select it, the arrow will appear up in the top right corner. Simply click on that arrow and there'll be a list of commands available to you. While we're not going to demonstrate all of them, we are going to just quickly talk about them. Clone, fast copy and paste. If I click on clone, it's going to create a duplicate of this car right there on the page immediately. Cut, copy and paste, they are exactly what you're familiar with. Delete does exactly that, deletes it. Infinite cloner. If you click on Infinite Cloner, you're not going to notice anything immediately, but what it does do is it allows you to make quick copies just by simply clicking on the object and pulling away repeatedly over and over and over, and it can make infinite number of clones of the object that you clicked on. Lock allows you to keep that car from being able to move from one place to another. There are several different locking options. Link to tool. You can create put an object on a page and make it link to your pen, eraser, or selection tool. So you don't have to go to the toolbar, you simply touch the object and now you can use the pen if that's what you need. Group allows you to take two or more objects and combine them into a singular object. Very useful if you're trying to maintain scaling. You put a bunch of things in, you want to pull them all together and resize them, make them smaller or bigger. Well, this will allow you to do that proportionally. Flips it, so actually in this case the car is pointing to the left, to the right. Now it would point to the left if I wanted to, or I can make it upside down. Order deals with layers. When objects are inserted onto a Smart Notebook page, the newest thing is always at the front or on the top of whatever else. So if I type the word hello first and then put the car on, the car will actually be in front. Oh, I typed hello after, second. So hello is in front of the car. Order would allow me to send hello behind the car. Other options in there, there's link. This allows you to link to a variety of different things, from a website to a sound to a file to a bunch of different things. Sound does exactly what it says. It allows you to connect to a sound. And then properties just pulls up some basic fundamental properties about whatever object is selected. There are different commands depending on what's on the page. Those we're dealing with an image. If I have text, I actually have a couple of additional commands, including check spelling. So I may need to check my spelling. It does have a spell check capability. If it's handwritten text, it has additional options such as recognize. So it can actually go from handwriting to text. And it does have some recognize shape as well as recognize table if I had drawn a shape or a table. So there are a few different options depending on what you're doing.